The control concepts 0190-01496-005 202AP-1001 is a SCR lamp driver used in an Applied Materials Semiconductor tool. This lamp driver arrived with a control board problem, which required us to do a full rebuild on the unit. We replaced the bad devices, and after the rebuild, we hooked it up to a linear light to fully test the output. As shown in the video, the output was completely controllable, and the driver was ready to return to use. At ERD, we repair a wide array of the bits and pieces of Applied Materials equipment. So if you have a repair need, and we do not have the exact number, please reach out. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.